Hello, I'm in a 2007 Ford Fusion, and today I'm going to show you to add power steering fluid. So first open the hood, and then towards the passenger side you should see this reservoir. This is your power steering fluid reservoir. And double check your owner's manual that you've got the best type for your make and model. But from here you just unscrew this. And as it says here, don't overfill. So on the side, you'll find a little marking, but really you just don't want it all the way to the top. There's supposed to be a little bit of air gap. Just a little though. But you'll unscrew this and either straight from your liquid jug or with a funnel fill as needed until you're around the max. Screw this on nice and tight when you're done. And you hardly ever should have to add to this system. So at this point I would double check there's no cracks through this reservoir or any of the lines leading to it that need addressed. Since again, typically hardly ever, if ever, have to add to this. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.